Hey guys, so seems like the launch of Next Foldable phone from Vivo is inching closer as the device has been certified by China's Tenna certification platform. The device was recently spotted on Google Play console listing. The listing confirmed that the upcoming foldable phone will be called Vivo X Fold Plus. Its Tenna listing has revealed some key specifications. The device is listed with V2229A model number. The listing also confirmed its 5G connectivity. The device will come with multiple 5G bands including N78, N79, N41, N28 and N1. The device will be equipped with two 2300 mAh batteries and will make the overall battery capacity to 4600 mAh. This is the same battery size that we saw on Vivo X Fold, which means you are not getting any upgrade in battery life, but you will get an upgrade in its fast charging capability. The device was certified by 3C Authority with 80-watt fast charging support and 50-watt fast wireless charging support. Powering this device will be the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, which is not a surprise. The device will be a flagship offering from Vivo, hence it will feature a flagship level quad camera setup at the back, where the main camera is gonna be a 50 megapixel lens paired with a 48 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, a 12 megapixel portrait lens with 2x optical zoom, and an 8 megapixel periscope lens with 5x optical zoom. On the front, it may feature a 16 megapixel selfie snapper. And now comes the most important aspect of a foldable phone, the display. The device will have an 8.03-inch main display. It will be an LTPO AMOLED panel with 2K resolution, whereas the cover display will be a 6.53-inch AMOLED panel. Both the main and cover display will support 120Hz high refresh rate. The device will be offered with 12GB RAM and storage would be 256 and 512GB. It will run Android 12 with Vivo's own FunTouch OS on top. As for the launch, the Tenna listing indicates that the device will soon launch in China. So that is all for this video. Thank you for watching. Catch you guys tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.